Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope everyone is doing wonderful. Okay guys, well today I want to talk about container garden for a little minute. Container garden is something I think everyone should pay attention to. If you're doing container garden, you definitely should pay attention. For the first year, you're supposed to be able to learn something new, and the following year you keep correcting your mistakes. So by correcting your mistake, that's how you're gonna get better and better. First of all, I think you need a big enough container. You want to know the size of the root of the plant. You want to make sure you know that, because you want to make sure you have a big enough container for this plant so this plant can produce. So here we have turmeric here, and I have 5-gallon bucket, which I even think I should get bigger bucket, maybe like this one, like a 10-gallon or 15-gallon, because it's a plant that producing under the soil. But this is a test I'm doing with these plants in containers. So next year I'm gonna know exactly what to do next year. These are herbs I have growing up inside here. This is lemongrass. But one thing I want to show you about container garden, the soil. Your soil must be easy to just grab up, wake up. This is how your soil gotta be. You know, the soil must be in this form that the root can grow properly. It cannot be hard, tough, and clay. You see? It gotta be soft. You could use your finger and just, just wake it up. Over here, the same thing. Must be soft, that the root of the plant can grow. Everywhere must be soft. Your finger must be able to dig through it, because this is how you get progress with your plants. The more the plant grow, the more you add soil. So while the plant is growing, you keep adding soil. You see, this is what I'm doing. So once you keep adding, you're gonna add soil till it reach the brim of the container. So while the plant growing, you keep adding soil, and make sure that your soil is very soft and organic. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace, love, and blessings.